Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. In this video we are going to learn how to send the links from your Android phone to computer using the Edge app. Say suppose you want to share this link, the website link, to your Edge app on your computer. What you can do is you can tap on these three bar options, and within the three bar options, if you navigate within the menus, you have this send to device option. Select that and it will give you option what all the connected devices you currently have. Right now I have a MacBook which is connected to my Microsoft account using the same, so I can just choose send, and once I have chosen that, you would be able to see this pop-up appearing here, and I can just select open in a new tab, and the web page will start appearing here. So in this way you can send the links from your Edge browser on Android to computer system using the send to devices option. So for this option to work, you need to first sign in your Microsoft account on both the devices with the same Microsoft account, and once you have done it, the synchronization will happen, and then you can send links within the devices or between the devices that are signed in with the same account. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.